guys, it is Andre and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases and I am so excited to show you guys what we are releasing this week. So let's go ahead and get into it. We do have a wiggle this week and I am super excited about this week's wiggle. This format premiered in our December mystery kit and that was like a gold starry look. And this is the silver version of it. So this is a 5-piece wiggle on the premium matte paper. It will be $10 on special and then it'll go up to the normal white matte paper price. So just like the other wiggle, you have your flags with the bows, you have the date covers, you have a bunch of headers, you have icons, and then you have bottom washi. So this is super cool because it's like full foil. Super into this. So this will be the first of this kind of wiggle, which I'm super excited for the shop. So again, that'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and all of our foil products are not unlimited stock, but I try to stock as many as possible whenever purchasing foil. So hopefully you can get your hands on those. Then the other foil items that we have this week, we do have some icons. These are also on the premium matte white paper. The only thing I did want to mention is there is a little stroke outside of the heart. It is the way that we put it on there, but that's just not a mystery, that's just the way it is. So this is on the matte paper, like I said, and it does come in all 3 foils, and these are icons. So what's cool about these is we do have our regular icons in shop, but these make it so that it is not see-through. So normally the little TV would be see-through, but these are opaque. So that is an option as well. So those will be available this Wednesday at noon Eastern. And then we also have more of the new bow stickers. So this has the bow on all 4 corners. Last week we had the bow just in the center. So that's the bow with the 4 corners. And then also with that bow design, we also have the bow confetti. So super pretty. I love this one. I used it with my Grinch kit and I think it turned out really cute. So those are the foil items coming out this week. Then let's go into the kits first. I have one non-exclusive collection, but it does feature a little exclusive art in it. So again, like I said, this is not exclusive art, but it does include an exclusive scene. So we've been doing a couple of those recently. So this scene is exclusive to SPC, but I just think this collection is so pretty, and I do have a really cool like touch with the glitter. I'll show you guys. This feels thick. Okay. So this is called Festival Vibes. This art came out I think a year or 2 ago, and I thought it just kind of needed a scene, so I had an artist do a scene for this, and I just think it turned out really, really pretty. And it does have like this faux glitter throughout that is kind of like a purple with like the different colors of the kit in it. Super pretty. I'll show you on the weekend banner, but I love this collection. I just think the colors are so pretty. Definitely needed an update. And then you have the extra full box there, your little things, your headers, and then you can see that really cool faux glitter that is featured throughout. It's kind of like a multicolor glitter. I kind of went ham on that whenever I was doing all of these, and I think it turned out really cute. And then you have your bottom washi. You have the Munchkin head freebie, and then you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. You also have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and then you also have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. So this again is called Festival Vibes, and it does come in a mini kit and also an ultimate kit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the mini kit as well. And then I usually just sell 1 mini kit a week. All the rest of them do come in ultimate and mini as well. We do unlimited stock for 48 hours. So from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern, we do unlimited stock, which is the best time to pick up the mini kits. I hope you guys could see the 15mm and stuff before. I feel like you could. This is the mini kit. Munchkin head freebie. And that again is Festival Vibes, available in mini and ultimate kit. So let me go ahead and show you guys the next one. So the rest of these are exclusive art. This was actually last year's December mystery, super popular kit. I did go ahead and reformat, add a couple of things in that I recolored, and I just think it turned out really, really cute. So this again was last year's December mystery, and I called this one Planner Babe, and I have, like I said, reformatted it and updated it a little bit since then. It also does come in a mini kit, so let's go ahead and go through these. So you do have the full box here. It's just like a really anytime planner pink and gold kit, which I just feel like is a great one to have on hand. You have your ombre heart checklist, your half boxes, your functional page. You have your extra full box and icons, your little things, your headers. You have your deco and a bunch of other stuff here. You have that faux gold glitter throughout, and then you have your bottom washi. There is also the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's also an option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and there's also the option if you want to add on the label sampler. So that is Planner Babe, and like I said, it does come in Ultimate and Mini. Let's go ahead and get into the final collection, which is also exclusive art. This one has not been shown yet, and this one is called Moving Day. So this is a really cute, kind of like modern, but still kind of fun with the colors moving kit. We haven't done a moving kit in a minute, so I figured why not do an exclusive art one. We do have this also in a mini kit, so let's go ahead and show you guys this one. So this has just really like kind of like simple but clean moving aesthetics. I love the colors of this. I just think it's really pretty and clean, just super cute. Little things, headers, deco, and then the bottom washi. You also have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. You have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. I think I might have called the other one label sampler, rose glitter sampler. And then you also have the option for fashion on those. So I wanted to keep it a little bit simple this week. Also, Munchkin Head freebie with the new releases. I'm doing a bunch of traveling, so I wanted to film this early for you guys just so it'll be up on time. But I hope you guys like this week's new releases. So again, I will repeat them real quick. So we do have Moving Day, which is, like I said, a super clean, cute, fun, anytime kind of colored moving kit. We also have Planner Babe, which was last year's December Mystery. It's probably one of our most popular ones last year for sure. Was it last? Yeah, it was last year. And it just seems like so many years ago. And then we have Festival Vibes, which, like I said, is art that came, I think, a year or two ago, maybe 2 years ago, but we did do an exclusive scene there. And then we also have the Wiggle that's coming out this week. That'll be on special from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern for $10, and then it'll go back up to the regular price. We have the bow corner stroke, and then the bow confetti corners, as well as the grab the wrong stack, as well as the icons. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new release video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.